Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Roopali and today I would like to share some simple herbal products based on Vedic principle. As we all know, in today's world, we are surrounded by toxins. Air pollution, land pollution, water pollution. So in short, these pollutants are affecting our system already, taking a heavy toll on our digestive system, more importantly on our liver. And hence, because of this excess of toxic load, your liver find it incapable to flush out the toxins on its own. Liver is a very important and a very hard-working organ which not only participates in digestion, but it also takes care of the natural detox system of your body. And today, I would like to share some simple herbal products which will improve the efficacy of this liver detox process. First, I would like to highlight Gacula, made from three potent key ingredients: Garcinia cambogia, turmeric, and amla. As we all know, Garcinia cambogia's fruit rind consists of hydrocitric acid, an active compound which suppresses the excess fat formation in your liver. And not only that, it also flush out the extra fat from the body, of course, via liver. Amalki, on the second hand, it's rich in vitamin C. One amla has almost 10 oranges, jitna vitamin C. Amla is an excellent pitta shamak. On the other hand, turmeric, the curcumin what we get from it, is an excellent healer for our GI tract. It's anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiviral, and so on. So this Gacula on whole heals our metabolism, promotes our metabolism, reduces fat, helps to reduce weight, and gives fantastic results in fatty liver and in cholesterol issues. Similarly, we have an excellent product called basil berry, made from some potent herbs like neem, giloy, tulsi, amla, ginger. The entire combination of these key ingredients makes this product an excellent immune booster. As we all know, neem is a power-packed herb with almost 140 active compounds. It exhibits anti-diabetic, antiviral, antibacterial, blood purifying properties, and so on. Amla, on the other hand, is an excellent pitta shamak. It suppresses the excess acid formation in our system, taking care of hyperacidity. Turmeric, on the other hand, is anti-inflammatory and heals our GI tract flora. Similarly, giloy, Tinospora cordifolia, in Ayurveda is an excellent liver booster, and it heals and repairs your liver along with your metabolism. So overall, basil berry improves your metabolism and enhances your immune system. Last but not the least, we have a wonderful product by the name Zingi Plus, made from 4 effective herbs: milk thistle, cinnamon, curcumin, and ginger. Milk thistle is known for its healing properties for liver. Especially, it enhances the liver detox system. Curcumin, on the other hand, because of its anti-inflammatory action, it not only boosts your metabolism, but it repairs your GI flora as well. Ginger, on the other hand, is an extremely rich prebiotic which helps to neutralize the free radicals and supports digestion. Amla, on the second hand, it's loaded with vitamin C and take care of our antioxidant system. So what are you waiting for, guys? If you want a healthy liver, grab your liver detox today.